It's day 4. You ready? Is it? Is it this one maybe? What's inside of it? Huh? Okay. Oh, it is clay. We can make a Christmas ornament with it. Shall we?